to show you what I got from Bath and Body Works. Bath and Body Works. Let's get started. Pink chiffon lotion. Seaside citrus. And Mary Marshmallow, and it comes with spray. Coconut, lime, Valley mango. Velvet sugar. Velvet sugar. Velvet sugar. Velvet sugar. Velvet sugar. Oh, funny. Velvet sugar. And it goes too. And I got a free gift card ticket.
No, it's 20%.
20%
Off
coupon. And it comes with a card. And that's all I got.
Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.